It's really nice working with Isabel. She's a great actress. Sobrang galing niyang umarte. She's also a good friend. Sobrang nagkakaintindihan kami kapag nasa set kami. Sobrang sinusupport niya rin ako kapag may mga bigat na scenes. Tapos kailangan ko ng konting tulong. That's it. Maraming salamat, Kapuso PR Girl. Tutukan gabi-gabi ang Slay Mondays to Thursdays at 9:25 PM on GMA Network. And please follow me on all my social media pages. J Ortega Official sa TikTok and J Ortega sa Instagram and Facebook and X. And syempre, follow Kapuso PR Girl on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X, and YouTube. See you guys!